In today's video, we talk about how to pay credit card bill in CIBC Mobile App 2025. Watch until the end of the video to learn everything you need. Paying your CIBC credit card bill using the CIBC Mobile App in 2025 is a quick and easy process. Log into the CIBC Mobile App. Open the CIBC Mobile App on your device. Enter your CIBC online banking username and password to log in securely. Once you're logged in, find and tap on the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen. Look for your CIBC credit card under the list of accounts. Tap on the CIBC credit card you wish to pay. You'll be taken to the Details page where you can see your current balance, minimum payment, and due date. Log into the CIBC mobile app. Go to your credit card account. Tap Pay to initiate payment. Enter the payment amount. Select the payment source, CIBC, checking, savings, etc. Review and confirm your payment. Receive a confirmation once the payment is made. I hope you will learn about the video. Thank you for watching.